Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie and in this lesson we're going to be looking at connecting words number 6. So now if you haven't already done connecting words numbers 1 through 5, I suggest you go back and do them. All right, so let's switch over, get our lovely work screen as we always do. And here it is, connecting words number 6. So if you already saw connecting words 1 through 5, you know already that connecting words are important in sentences as they are used to connect ideas and parts of speech, show contrast or agreement, give examples and add information, or demonstrate a result or conclusion. Sometimes connecting words are used as adjectives or adverbs and sometimes prepositions in sentences. In the following sentences, you will see a variety of uses for these words. So now the 4 words that we're going to be working with today are unlike, indeed, even so, and along with. So let's start with unlike. Now, if you don't know, first of all, what these 4 words mean, put the video on pause and go and look up these words in your dictionary. Then you will better understand the sentences that we are about to do. So go ahead, put the video on pause now. Okay, we're back from the pause. That was great. So now you know the meanings of these 4 words, so we can get started. Okay, we're working with unlike. Unlike means different from, not similar to, or not typical. Here are some practice sentences for you. I'm sure she has a lot on her mind. It's really unlike her to be so quiet. There must be something wrong. It's unlike them to be late. Unlike me, my husband gets up early every morning. Jake was unlike any man she had ever met before. Living in the country is so quiet and peaceful, unlike living in the heart of the city. She was unlike the girls he normally dated. Unlike her brother, she didn't need to study a lot to pass her exams. Unlike you, I enjoy and actually prefer to work the night shift. That you shouldn't be bold. My mistake. Oh well. Mark, unlike his coworkers, wanted to work overtime as much as possible. His last movie was unlike any other he had starred in before. Unlike her sister, she is not very athletic. The play was unlike anything we'd seen before. Unlike most of my friends, I don't like flying. It's unlike him to leave the office without turning off all the lights and shutting down the computers. It was unlike anything I had ever tasted. I don't understand why she did that. It was really unlike her to yell at everyone. Okay, so now we're going to be looking at the word indeed. And indeed is used to emphasize something, and it means truly or really. Yes, I did indeed say that he is our greatest asset. Your daughter does indeed have a problem with her vision and probably needs to wear glasses. I can indeed explain my theory. Indeed, I trusted him. Yes, indeed, it is a lovely spring day. That was delicious indeed. They are indeed very wealthy. Dreams can indeed come true. We are indeed grateful for your kindness and generosity. That was a good deal indeed. Everyone expected that she would win the award, and indeed she did. That was indeed the worst audition I had seen in years. She deserved a standing ovation indeed. Yes, indeed, I do agree with you. This painting is indeed a masterpiece. Indeed, learning English is a lot of work. I will indeed support and encourage you every step of the way. The allegations should indeed be investigated. It was indeed extremely dangerous. He is indeed the most talented player on the team. David is a great actor indeed. We will indeed do everything we can to help you. Okay, so now we're going to look at even so, which means in spite of, despite, or nevertheless. The lineups to get on the rides at the amusement park were exceptionally long, but even so, it was a great day. It's not the best restaurant in town, but even so, the food and the prices are good. I had a really bad toothache this morning, but even so, I went to school. We expressed our gratitude for the pleasant evening, but even so, we sent a thank you card. The forecast called for warm and sunny weather, but even so, we brought our raincoats and boots. My car is old and rusty, but even so, it gets me to work on time. I know she was really angry, but even so, she shouldn't have said that. There are a few spelling mistakes in this chapter, but even so, it's well written and compelling. She knew her lines well, but even so, she repeated them one last time before going on stage. It was a great idea, but even so, they chose not to implement it for financial reasons. He has a good salary, but even so, he is always broke. She had a lot to say about it, but even so, she chose to remain silent. He really liked competitive swimming, but even so, he quit the sport to join the hockey team. Okay, the last one, along with, which means together with or in addition to. You have to consider the advantages along with the disadvantages of relocating to a new province. He owns 2 high-rise apartment buildings downtown, along with 3 houses on my street. The garden smelled of fresh flowers in bloom along with a variety of herbs and tropical spices. We gave him a water pistol along with some superhero comic books for his birthday. The singer invited us to sing along with him. The police arrested the suspect along with 4 other people on the scene. She invited her 3 best friends along with a few of her classmates to her pool party. We offered them food and water along with a place to stay for the night. The shelving unit for my office arrived along with the instructions on how to put it together. Anxiety erupted within her, along with fear and uncertainty. Regular fitness, along with a healthy diet, ensures a positive attitude. Mike will be performing tonight along with his 5-piece band. I was selected for an interview along with 2 other very qualified candidates. And that's it. That's how you use those 4 connecting words. Okay, so if that lesson helped you, please go ahead and like the video, subscribe to my channel, and you can also hit the notification bell. That way you will know when I put up another video for you. If you guys need to improve your English quickly, you can get your, it's available everywhere, including Amazon. This book will really help you to improve your English quickly. You start at the beginning, you work on every single page right through to the end of the book. The answer key is at the back to support you while you are learning. If you purchase this book and leave it on your shelf, it will not help you. You actually have to do the book, okay? So right through to the end, thank you very much. Also, if you're having difficulty with your verb tenses, you can get yourselves a copy of English Verb Tenses. This book is also available on Amazon and will help you to really comprehend and master the English verb tenses. You start at the beginning, you work on every single page, right through to the end of the book. The answer key is at the back to support you while you're learning. If you purchase this book and you leave it on your shelf, it will not help you. So you have to actually do the book, start at the beginning, right through to the end of the book. Also, I have a new Facebook page called Learn English with Julie Lachance. You can go over there and I'll be putting up a lot of good things to help you with your English there. Also, there are a lot of other lessons on my YouTube channel, so you can flip through those, do the ones that you need help with, or I suggest you do all of them because they are filled with tons of information that will really help you to improve your English. So I am going to go now. You guys have a great day, and I will, of course, see you in the next lesson. So have a good day. Goodbye for now.